Let me be honest, most of you don't know how to walk in heels confidently, and it's not because you don't know how to walk in heels. It's because no one has actually taught you how to walk in them confidently and how to carry yourself in them. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to walk in heels confidently, even if you feel awkward, even if you feel stiff, or you feel like everybody's watching you. My sister, welcome to my channel. Announce here. If you want to learn how to build confidence online, build a brand, and actually make money from it, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that bell, okay, so that you are notified every time I post a new video. Oh my God. As a model for the past 7+ years, I've had to learn how to walk in heels, whether the shoes did not fit, whether they were too tight, whether they were just not it, okay? I had to learn how to walk in heel and make it look effortlessly, make it look natural, make it look like I was born in those heels. And it wasn't always like that. I had to learn, okay? I also had to learn how to walk in heels for me to look very confident. I used to feel awkward in heels. And it used to show. It literally used to show when I would overthink wearing heels. So I'm going to break this down for you so it actually makes sense, so that you are going to be really confident walking in heels. Step 1, your posture, of course. If your posture is just trash, you're going to look awkward. You're going to look bad. You're going to look a mess. So you have to make sure that your posture is great. If your shoulders are tense, your back is curved, and your head is down while you're walking, you're already losing the confidence of making it look natural when you're wearing these heels and you're walking in these heels. I want you to think shoulders back, chest open, chin up. You don't walk in heels, you present yourself in them. You literally have to present yourself in them. You need to have that confidence to walk in those heels. Okay, and it starts with your posture. If you have bad posture, you are gonna look crazy while you're wearing these heels. Step 2 is you need to slow down your walk. You are walking too fast. Why are you running? Why are you running, my sister? Slow down your walk while you're walking. Most of you are rushing. That's why it looks awkward. That's why it looks unstable. So you really want to slow it down, because confidence is slow. Confidence is controlled. Confidence is intentional. So when you are walking slower with heels, you are going to look confident. You are going to look like you know what you're doing. When you're slowing down your walk, you are instantly going to look more expensive. You are instantly going to look more poised. You're instantly going to look more confident. So slow down your walk, okay, my sister? And when you do this, it's really going to make you look confident, and it's going to make you look like you know what you're doing. Okay, step 3 is heel to toe. Heel to toe. Just always remember this. Don't walk toe to heel. That's why you literally look like you're galloping. So heel to toe. This is a little bit technical. When you're going to start learning this and practicing in this, it's just, you're not going to have to say heel to toe in your head. It's just going to come. It's just going to be natural. So heel first, and then your toe. Not flat, not stomping, because that's when you start looking crazy. I've seen this before, and I'm like, my sister, what are you doing? What are you doing? So please, heel to toe. Don't overthink it. Don't walk and you're like heel to toe, heel to toe, heel to toe. Don't walk and you start thinking like that. Maybe when you're practicing in your room or something with your heels, heel to toe, heel to toe. But when you're out, don't overthink it, because when you do, it's gonna show and it's gonna make you look awkward. Yeah, that's how you're not gonna look like a robot. Pardon, we don't want that. My sister, I have a question. Before we continue this video, pause this video right now and comment down below and let me know what part makes you feel the most awkward whenever you're walking with heels. Is it the balance? Is it your posture? Or is it because you feel like everyone is watching you? Pause this video now, comment down below, and then come back to watch the rest of the video. I really want to know though. Let's talk in the comments. Okay, bye. Step 4 is you want to engage your core and your balance. Even if you are a skinny girl, I want you to suck your stomach in when you're walking. I want you to engage that core. I always say this, suck that stomach in. When you're walking and you're wobbly, it's not because your heels are wobbly. Sometimes it is because your heels are wobbly, but most of the time it's because you did not engage your core. You did not suck your stomach in. You are not balanced. That's why you're like walking like you're going to fall. The balance comes from your core. And I want you to think about walking in a straight line and engage your core. Put your chest out. You are going to start feeling grounded. instantly. And that's going to make you walk better. And then the last part, and you know I'm going to end the video with this always, which is step 5, is your confidence. Confidence is energy. Confidence is not a skill. This is the part that nobody talks about whenever it comes to a lot of things. It's just the confidence. It's just the energy that you bring it with. When you are walking with your heels, you want to think like you own the street. You own what building you're walking into. You need to decide that this is where I belong. When you're walking with those heels, you need to think like, I own these streets. I own this road. I own it. I belong here. I should be here. And I swear it's going to make you look even better. That is the key to literally everything. And my sister, let me tell you, the truth is, it's not really about the heels. It's about how you see yourself in them. That's the truth. It's literally about how you see yourself in them. So take all the things that I talked about, put them into action. Start practicing right now. And remember to have that confidence to wear the heels. And that's how you're going to be better at walking in heels. And soon enough, girl, you're going to be strutting these runways and strutting these streets and walking in these business meetings like you own it, because you do. So thank you so much for watching. This is the end of the video. Make sure to send this video to anyone that needs it. If you're trying to show up more confidently online or even offline, and if you want to build your brand, your life, make money from doing this, make sure to subscribe, like, share. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.